Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Beautyrest Harmony Lux Mattress. This hybrid innerspring mattress has been making waves with its blend of comfort and eco-conscious features. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. The Beautyrest Harmony Lux is a luxury hybrid mattress combining pocketed coils with multiple layers of memory foam. It's designed for robust support and claims to offer excellent temperature regulation without trapping body heat, thanks to its innovative materials. One of the standout features of the Harmony Lux is its eco-friendly construction. It incorporates recycled ocean-diverted plastic into its sleep surface, which not only contributes to sustainability but also adds a soft touch to the mattress. In terms of firmness, we tested the firm pillow top version, which is on the firmer side. This mattress provides substantial support, making it suitable for back and stomach sleepers. However, the pillow top, despite its name, doesn't offer a plush sinking feeling. It's more about a lifted support. During our review period, we found the Harmony Lux excelled in edge support and stayed cool throughout the night. However, it exhibited middling performance in motion transfer, meaning it may not isolate movement as well as some all-foam mattresses. Our testing team, including both side and back sleepers, felt well supported and aligned on the Harmony Lux. Despite its firmness, it managed to keep our sleepers comfortable without overheating, which is a common issue with some memory foam mattresses. In conclusion, the Beautyrest Harmony Lux mattress impressed us with its combination of support and sustainability. While it comes at a premium price, its performance in temperature regulation and durability makes it a solid investment for those looking for a long-term mattress solution. Would we recommend the Harmony Lux? Absolutely, especially if you prioritize support and eco-conscious materials in your mattress choice. It's a worthy contender in the luxury hybrid mattress category, competing closely with other high-end brands. That wraps up our review. If you've tried the Beautyrest Harmony Lux or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and product insights on Product Critique. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to Product Critique.